experience. Haukuwa na uwezo. You did not have skills. Haukuwa na wakiwa kitu. Today I've come to tell you. Lakini nimekuja kukwambia that in that place, that position, katika hiyo hali, there is one person. Kuna mtu mmoja. When you invite him, unapomhusisha, everything, kila kitu comes back to normal. Katika usawa. His name is Jesus. Yes. His name is Jesus. Yes. The Bible says, kinasema that there was a marriage. Kulikuwa kuna ndoa. In Galilee. Katika Galilaya. There was a wedding. Kulikuwa na hajalo. The Bible says, kinasema Jesus was invited. Yesu alikuwa amehusishwa. And Mary was also invited. Alikuwa analikuwa together with Jesus' disciples. Pamoja na wanafunzi wake. They were back of the guests. Walikuwa kwenye wapo ya yote. The Bible says, kinasema child of God sometimes. Mtoto Mungu wakati mwingine. It really matters. Inategemea kwa who you involved. Ni nani unamhusisha? They are friends. Kuna marafiki you can have. Naweza kuwa nao. That are nothing can bring nothing to you. Hawezi leta suluhu kwa maisha. They are friends. Kuna marafiki. You know friends matter. Marafiki wanajalisha. The people that you associate with. Watu unaozungumzisha nao. It's a lot to me. Inamaanisha mengi. It's a lot to you. Inamaanisha mengi. Because they need your success. Sababu kufanikiwa kwako depends on the relationship you have with them. Inalingana na vile ulipo na watu. Your success. Kufanikiwa kwako is determined. Inalingana na your power of association. Na uwezo na kuhusishwa. The Bible says, kinasema this person was wise. Mtu alikuwa na moja. And he invited Jesus. Akahusisha Yesu. He invited Jesus. Akahusisha Yesu. They are guests that you can invite. Na marafiki unaweza husisha. They bring nothing. Wanaleta kuna kitu. They are not of help. Hawakuna msaada. There are people when they are invited. Na tunapahusisha. They cannot help. Hawezi kusaidia. They only go. Wanaenda tu. To talk about. Wanaenda plan. Wanaenda mabaya. Kuna maneno. There are people you invite. Kuna tunahusisha. They eat. Wanakula na kukula. And when they leave, wanapotoka, they talk about the bad food. Wanaongea vitu vibaya that you gave them. Ambavyo uliwapea. They talk about your bad marriage. Wanaleta ndoa yako mbaya. They talk about, they criticize. Wanashushisha. Whatever you invited to enjoy. Ila ambacho ulihusisha uselebrate. There was a friend. Lakini kuna rafiki in this wedding. Katika harusi. There was a friend. Kulikuwa kuna his name is Jesus. Lakini Yesu was invited. Kwa amealikwa. He was invited. Kwa amealikwa. Watu tutatu, 1, 2, 3 people. I tell them you better invite Jesus. You better invite Jesus in your life. The Bible says Jesus was there. And the one thing that happened, that wine, when Jesus wanted to drink wine, the chief guest came. There was no wine. There was no wine. The bridegroom became distressed. Akawa na shaka, didn't know what to do. Hakujua cha kufanya. Thank God. Akishukuru Mungu. There was Jesus. There was Jesus. Child of God. Mtoto wa Mungu. Your marriage, ndoa yako can run out of wine. Inaweza kosa your life. Maisha yako can run out of wine. Inaweza kosa. There is no wine. Kuna divai. No one is seeing you. As a person of importance. When the wine runs out, the business does not work. When the wine runs out, even you don't have favor with your bosses. But today, we've come to declare favor is coming back. If you believe so, yes. The Bible says Jesus was there. He brought back what was not there. The Bible says when Jesus came in, we changes the situation. When Jesus stepped in, the situation changes. He is Jesus. Who can change your situation? Maybe your wine is run out. Maybe your wine, when the divine has run out, nothing seems to be good. When you walk around, no one wants to see you. No one wants to hear about you. You have taken credit all over, and no one wants to see you. No one wants pick your calls because you are nobody. There is nothing you can bring on the table. Your marriage, when you go to your husband, he sees you as good for nothing. He sees other women. There is no wife. There is no peace. There is no love. There is no contentment. Today I've got to tell you, there is Jesus who can bring it back. Make it more sweeter. Make it more sweeter. His name is Jesus. His name is Jesus. He can bring it back. He can bring a taste where there is no taste. He can bring life where there is no life. He can bring hope where there is no hope. I have got to tell you that it is not finished. Your life, it is not finished. The report of the doctor is not the final. The report of people are not the final. Jesus has the final say. I say Jesus has the final say. This is what he said, that you can rise again.